In this video, you will learn how to create an assessment in Edutrax. From your home page, go to the green Assessment tab, click on Test Management. You'll get a dialog box that asks you to select how you want to search. You select My School Test. It may default to My School Test. Then click the subject, course. We're going to choose Math 3 for this demonstration. Search. Here, you'll get a different dialog box in which you can select Create a New Test. Out to the right, you get a dialog box where you need to name that assessment. For the sake of this demonstration, we're going to put Math Grade 3. Click on Save Test. Now you have created a shell for your assessment. You can now begin to add questions. Click on Add Questions. You get a different dialog box out to the left where you would go to the source of your questions, which is curriculum standards. It should default to the course that you are creating the assessment for. Then you need to click on the standards tab and it will give you a drop-down menu of standards that you can select a standard from for your assessment. So for the sake of this demonstration, we're just going to do a geometry standard. You get a dialog box with a list of questions that you can choose from. And these questions can be filtered by DOK, item type, creator, so on and so forth. I'm going to select 2 questions. I'm going to add the questions to the test. You see the questions come up in the test out to the right under the question tab in the dialog box on the right. So you close question view once you've added all the questions you would like. You see you get different options in the dialog box out to the right to view the assessment, delete questions from the assessment, continue to add questions if you would like. And you get 2 new tabs for printing and publishing. So let's say we have all the questions we need for this particular assessment and I'm ready to publish. So I'm going to go to the publishing tab. And for the sake of this assessment, I would like to share it with other 3rd grade teachers. So I'm going to select those teachers' names. Click on Publish this test. And now you see you get a dialog box up at the top that says the status of this test is pending. That could last for a little bit. Usually just takes anywhere from a couple of seconds to a minute or two. And if it does not come up immediately for you, you can click on Refresh Publishing Status and give it a minute or two to come up, as I said. Once you do that and it changes to complete, you have now successfully created an assessment